Verb?
Yeah.
Why this damn thing on my head?
It's a black 9-inch.
This is a 9-inch? Then why can't I see through it?
Because it's seeable.
Well, why though?
What?
Why?
Well, I don't know.
What is what? Mr. Paul, you're picking me on.
I know.
Mr. Ass, what do you think about him?
I don't know.
I'm alright.
I think it's very crazy.
Really? You got one on your head too.
Oh, where did it come from?
I don't know. Well, shit. Oh, fuck. I hit the damn wall. You know, I'm gonna look at your passcode.
Now you got a booty on your face.
Not the booty. Mr. Puff, your underwear is showing.
Oh, it always is.
Your underwear is showing, Mr. Puff. Oh, I done did zoom in way too much.
I done did too soon.
I did. You got that nice hair, Mr. Ass.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're very
Actually,
welcome.
no,
sir. That's a boot.
I want to get more of a name. We'll think about it later.
This look like an asshole. Or an ass crack.
What?
They look like an ass
What are
crack.
you laughing, Mr. Black?
Mr. Black, what are you doing?
Chilling.
Alright, that damn nice. Dr. Squat Pump.
Ratio?
Dr. Squat Pump. Do you have anything you'd like to say?
9.
What?
9.
9?
No.
Okay. I didn't know you was
If you
French.
think it's cold, open that door right there.
That damn door is
That door, it's
cold.
like an air vent.
It's like my ex is hot, cold as hell.
This shirt was passed down to me from my father, the real perv. I love this.
The real perv?
Yes. Do you remember him?
I do remember the real perv. His
That's when
first
you know
name
it's
was
in the wrong
Daryl.
hole.
His last name was Perv. He was an amazing man. He touched me way down deep inside.
Yes.
It was awesome.
In my ass.
What was a pain in your ass, Mr. Perv?
Quite literally.
Your liquor?
What?
I didn't know you drank.
Get it around the corner.
What are you doing,
You gotta
red
start on the
man?
edge, Dean. Right there.
Oh shit, that's burning me.
You're supposed to be closer to the middle.
Mr. Squat Pump, what's going on?
This kid can't weld.
He ain't trying to weld, he's trying to cut. And now he's supposed to cut the damn cheese, that's what he did. God damn, that is brighter than my dick. Is that 9-inch? Remember, don't touch the pit. Mr. Black, what are you doing on there? What are you laughing about? Oh, fuck you. Them people was boring.
What?
Them people over there was boring.
From who?
Oh, shit.
Is that a nine?
I don't know. Is that damn door? Oh, shit. It's another Illuminati monster. It's a motherfucking floating head. I don't know. Does that damn door look like a 9-inch to you, Mr. Perv?
It looks more about 13 to me. What are you
Well,
saying?
then it's not right. Does that look like a 13 or a 9-inch door to you?
No, sir, it does not.
13 or 9, answer one, bitch. 13. And it's not right for this kind of shit. Oh, damn, this only go up to... Well, what the fuck is this number? 1, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6... Oh, that's a 2.
D-bag, Mike. I
damn.
taught you how to do math.
I'm sorry, and
told
it's my
you.
D-bag, you little fuck.
You talk that to your teacher?
I do, and I said it
I
right
will
then
make
and
you
there.
feel the wrath of the pervs.
Oh no! Squat pump.
Yeah.
The fuck you, man?
What are you doing?
You
Mr.
pop?
Bomb? Is this a new science?
They should have turned on the acetylene. Holy shit, that was longer than my dick. Great job, asshole.
Oh my gosh.
These are the sort of things you teach to your children.
That's not the right one, Dick.
What?
I said it's not the right one,
Can I
Dick.
take off my left glove?
No,
No?
I said it wasn't the right one. Motherfucker. Mr. Ass, where you going? I can't hear you. What did you say?
I'm going to weld, my friend.
Okay. You got a little close, and that was an amazing job. You just done fucked up. Great
You
job,
see that
nigga.
black thing? It's blacker than my dick.
It's blacker than my dick too, so quit feeling the black dick, sir. That is inappropriate. God damn.